Kaylee's mom still in jail tonight. Whatever happened between Casey Anthony and her parents had them pretty upset as they walked out of their jail visit this morning. Tonight, we take a closer look at the case and how Kaylee's mom might face serious charges even if Kaylee never shows up. Shannon Butler explains first on Fox.
You know, Amy, there have been questions on how Casey Anthony could be charged with anything since we don't know where Kaylee is and we don't know if Kaylee is dead or is alive. So we went to a criminal trial expert, and Richard Hornsby tells us today that in fact that child neglect charge can stick because not knowing where your child is certainly could be argued that that is neglectful. Now, for any other serious charge, if that DNA evidence does come back and proves that Kaylee is in fact dead, Richard Hornsby says she can be charged with murder or with manslaughter even if a body is never been found. But Hornsby warns the state that if they do not file all of these charges at once, Casey could walk on any serious charge.
If she were to go to trial on the child neglect charge, lose, the maximum penalty she'd be looking at is 5 years in prison, and she'd get out in 5 years. And if the state tried to come back and charge her with manslaughter after that trial, the defense could then move for dismissal under a rule of criminal procedure that's rarely used, but it has been invoked, which permits or prohibits the state from recharging somebody with a crime based upon conduct they've already been to trial on.
Now, this law works much like the double jeopardy law. Now, the state has 6 months to try Casey Anthony on that child neglect charge, but if Jose Baez, Casey's attorney, asks for a speedy trial, they will only have 60 days. We, of course, asked Baez for his comment to try to figure out what he may be planning to do. He did not return our calls. We are live tonight at the Sheriff's Office. Shannon Butler, Fox at 5.
Shannon, thank you. More coverage tonight on Fox 35 News at 6, but you can always get the latest information on the Kaylee case at any time, day or night, by going to myfoxorlando.com.